Folks, Greg here at Thame Cars. We've got this in showroom today. It's a 2017 67 plate Hyundai I10. This is the SE model. So this is a 1 litre petrol manual car, done 29,502 miles, and it's finished in black. These are great, reliable little cars. Let's take a look around the bodywork. Great value for money. Handy little city cars. Let's take a look up inside the car. You've got everything you need here. So we've got the electric windows for the front and back. We've got the side mirror controls from here, electric side mirrors. We've got a cruise control system, Bluetooth here, volume control and radio control into the middle here. We've got the MP3, Bluetooth for your phone, media, climate control in the middle with air conditioning, an AUX and a USB port down here. Plug your phone in whilst driving. Cup holders there. And the boot with a spare wheel and jack. So there you go, folks. Hyundai i10 SE 1 litre. Thank you for watching.